Too big? Sorry, I'm deleting your video.
Edit it out.
Shake it and then set it down.
Oh, dude.